Hello. Sanibonani kuSifiso S Lord Dokotela umculo ufunzile, and this is Open Mic with me, your host Sifiso S. Lalela. Namhlanje ke on our first episode sina Aaron Mkhabela.
Babesho wena njani mfundisi wami?
Ngiyaphila baba, ingathi amadoda. Yeah.
Siyaphila.
This is the same guy. Let's see. Uthi good night kimi. So guys, Aaron Mkhabela. Open mic.
Yes.
We speak less, we sing more. Sinema letter la athi open mic. You just pick one letter. Iletter letoyikhipha la noma ingoma yabani letoyithola emhlabeni siqula yona so.
Kunetingoma la.
La kunetingoma 1 any genre. Pick one letter, then emva kwaloko siyayicula.
Let me pick this one.
Okay, check.
Let me check. Ingoma. Yeah, Ingoma.
Thank you so much. Aaron Mkhabela has picked letter E, and which is Ingoma. Let's do the song.
Sebo.
Ingoma le sishaya ingoma masesilapha sibona sinjena sishaya ingoma bese nkosini phakamise sithi bese nkosini yaba bephakamisa ingoma yejazz ingoma babe esithi ngoma ingoma lena wabona besenkosini ephakamise ayumoyo ngithi besenkosini bona mihuzuko bashajiwe bayeza bayakhala bayeza omina ingoma ingoma besimakade soyihlabelela noma kunjani ingoma yasimakade behlabelela lapho sesize enkosini kuJesu sihlabelela yona lengoma lapho sesifingane nayo ubuso nobuso sihlabelela yona lengoma sicula yona lengoma mama Senkosini baba ephakamise ithi bese nkosini yabo
so much, good people. That was Aaron Kabela. Stay tuned.
Siyabonga kakhulu babukele emakhaya. Nkosi nibusise.
Stay tuned for another very interesting episode with another guest. Thank you so much.